QCY is a proficient brand in the wireless earbuds market segment. Now, the company is all set to introduce its latest QCY T20 TWS Earbuds with a package of performance-centric features. Wireless earphones are likely to hit the shelves of Banggood on June 28th with great offers. Everyone's habit of wearing earbuds is different, but it is undeniable that many people wear earbuds for longer and longer every day. For example, I am generally used to wearing earbuds when on the road to avoid the influence of surrounding noise. When you listen to music at work, you can enter the state faster at this time. Many friends also like to wear earbuds to listen to music or crosstalk while sleeping. Wearing earbuds for such a long time will inevitably cause ear discomfort. Many people choose to replace the semi-in-ear TWS earbuds to reduce the pressure on the ears. The familiar QCY brand has also recently released a small semi-in-ear Bluetooth headset QCY T20. I believe it will be very suitable for netizens who wear earbuds for a long time. When I unpack the express package, I see the QCY brand box that everyone is already familiar with. I remember that several earphones are almost in the same box. The designer really knows how to fish. Pack the box and take out the white QCY T20 Bluetooth headset and charging compartment. From the first impression, does it look familiar? The outer touch position of the earphone is embellished with metal-etched mesh, which looks more textured. One of the great features of this new Bluetooth product is that it is very compact from the earphone to the charging compartment. The short handle of the earphone is only 2.6 centimeters long. Even if it is worn in hot summer, it is as comfortable as possible for the ear. The 2.6 centimeters short handle appearance is not only more beautiful, but the earphones are also lighter. Looking at the small kitchen scale I often use, the weight is only 3.9 grams, which can be set to have no pressure on the ears. The charging compartment and the earphones are the same color scheme, which looks small and simple, and only has the QCY logo on the back. This round-shaped charging compartment is very convenient to carry around, and I believe that girls will also like this compact and rounded charging compartment appearance. In addition to the earphones and the charging compartment, there is also a Type-C charging cable and a manual in the box. For the button operation of the touch position, it is recommended to read the manual first. After all, each brand and each earphone will know more or less. There are some differences, and the operation you are familiar with may not be applicable to a new headset. The appearance of a good Bluetooth headset is very important, but its performance is more important. The QCY T20 TWS Earbuds have a built-in 13mm high-rigidity LCP-composite-diaphragm speaker, and the surface of the diaphragm is titanium-plated to improve the high frequency. The analytical ability makes the sound quality of this headset more balanced. Because of the use of dual ear and 4 microphones appearance in the NC noise reduction algorithm, calls can also be made in noisy environments, such as buses and subways get better call quality. Worrying about playing games with earbuds is also the choice of many netizens. The QCY T20 TWS earbuds have a built-in Bluetooth 5.3 chip, which is better and lower, the connection is more stable, and the transmission delay is lower, and the audio and video are synchronously connected when playing games. Listen to the sound to identify the position, allowing you to be more at ease in the game. This headset also has a matching application that can set the touch operation, sound effects, etc. Of course, it is very interesting that it also allows you to open the pop-up window interface. Introduce a lot of features of QCY T20 TWS earbuds. Of course, more feelings need to be worn for a long time and experienced by yourself. In general, this is a simple, elegant, small and exquisite half-in-ear TWS earbuds with a price of $23, because new products are launched, and there are still many official discounts. If you want to choose a small and cost-effective semi-in-ear TWS earbud, hurry up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments below. Have a nice day and see you soon.